Hi, Miss Debbie. This is my final Padlet with all my links and stuff from this class and all the projects we've done. So mine starts at the bottom, and here is my title slide, my name, our class number, our section, and a picture of me. And then we have the biography over here. This was from our biography assignment, and I said it served a purpose of Miss Debbie getting to know each of us at the beginning of the semester. And then I have the name tent and what the purpose of us creating a name tent were. And we made that in just a typical Word doc, super easy way for you to also learn our names. And then right here I have my concept map, and here's the link for it. So for each of these, all you do is click on it, and it'll bring you straight to each of my projects that we've done in this class. I just explained that the concept map, we each created a goal that we hope to achieve by the end of the semester, and the concept map explains that. Then I have the Symbaloo, Digo, and Pinterest links. These are all the links to my bookmark sites, whatever you call them. And I said I would personally use these things to pin ideas that I would want to use, things to make, or things to do in the future. It's a good way to give people ideas and share ideas. And then we have the Canva travel brochure. I explained that the Canva app made making a brochure very simple. This app is easy to navigate with many features. You can make all different kinds of things through this Canva app. And then on the other side, I have my Canva slideshow right here. And that is when I explained some fun things to do in Bora Bora that also went along with my brochure. And then I have the Google site. This is my website that we made recently. It has all different kind of features to let you create a website how you would like. And then here's my Google Apps slideshow talking about the Google Classroom application. Here's my COVID movie link. And then we have my blogger link, what the purpose of creating a blog was, and the importance of the RSS feeds. Then we have the Padlet, what my thoughts were on creating this entire Padlet. I thought it was a really cool tool to be able to use in many different ways. And this was just like a little introduction to it. And then this will be where my Screencastomatic link will go, which is what I'm doing right now. Screencastomatic is a cool way to maybe record online classes or show students something you've made while narrating it. And then here are my final thoughts. Last but not least, how great of a class this was. Thanks, Miss Debbie.